Hello everybody and welcome back to Shane's Main Shop. It is the day after Thanksgiving and Christmas is coming. I hope you guys enjoyed your Thanksgiving dinner. So yeah, Christmas is coming. It's time to start thinking about gifts you're going to get people in your life and your family. So obviously this is Shane's Main Shop. We do a lot of tool stuff, so I'm going to talk about tools. I'm not going to say it's gifts for him because my wife uses a lot of these tools too. So if you have somebody in your family or friends that likes tools or things like that, I'm going to give you my list of at least the basic tools of even non-tool type people should have in their home. If you're a homeowner, then this would be my list that I think is at least a basic set of tools you should have for general maintenance and things like that. And we're not going to start off with anything fancy or dancy today. It is the hammer. You know, there is so much you can do with a hammer. There's just no substitute for a hammer in your toolbox. Now, there's a lot of gimmick tools out there, and I just want to state up front that I'm not really going to be showing any of those because, yeah, I mean, sometimes people buy those things for Christmas and it's like the little do-all tool, but I really want to show you some good tools that really everybody should have. So keep that in mind. And, you know, there is several different hammers. There's going to be a lot of opinions out there of what hammer you should or should not get. We're not going to get into any of that either. Take a look at your particular situation and get what you think is right for you. You've got to have a hammer in your toolbox for, just everyday stuff possibly. There's just no substitute for it. There is different weight hammers, different size hammers. Again, either I'm going to put a couple links in the description for Amazon. You can pick up just a basic standard hammer that you can have in your home for general stuff. You just got to have a hammer. I can't say enough about it. Now, there's obviously sledgehammers as well, and there's a lot of, like I said, there's a lot of other hammers, but a sledgehammer is a good thing to have too, but this would be more of somebody that's doing a lot more heavy-duty type stuff. So I don't recommend this right off the bat, but you could use this for putting in posts outside and things like that. I think next spring I'm going to do a series on outside tools, things that would be more handy for the outside person. But for these series of videos, it's going to be basic tools that every homeowner should have, and it starts with a hammer. So we'll see you tomorrow. We'll talk about the next tool. Thanks for swinging by Shane's Main Shop, and we'll see you in the next video. Click on the link down in the description and pick yourself up a hammer for you or a gift for someone you love.